part of it's to do with rubbish. We'll do it later. But down here, bit of roadkill insulation tape, electrical tape. Probably use that later. Right, now Mitchell's kicked this round steel drum thing, and it rolled and rolled. He thought it was a wheel. It's a garden light. So you got a solar panel there and a little light there. Well, I could take the screws out, maybe use the disc. Give it a shot. And upwards. Hello there, Scott from Wessex in England, Wessex BushCraft. I'm out today to try and do a couple of challenges and also a shout out to Sarah Dreaming, because what we're finding everywhere in my little zone is this, which is rubbish. So at the very end we shall purge the side of as much as possible, but for Mike Barton, BushCraft Bartons, Canada, simple who. Okay, we'll have a bit of a go through here and we'll collect this up and put it in a pop bottle or something. But somewhere in there, I hope to use some of it for something. Back in a minute. And hopefully a nice long straight-ish stick for the next task. Pop it down a bit. Now the goal is to remove this piece here, retain either of these hooks, that shaft, and retain that V. So what I'm looking at is to cut there, nice clean joint there with the saw, and about there. For being a hook, and then with this end, I'm trying to keep just for now. That's dead, so all I want to do is try that for now, and then trim that up there. See you back in a minute. bit.
Bouncing feather.
Chainsaw. Okay, all on the subject of bushcraft and everything. At the moment, I'm sat on a support and I'm doing sort of powerful, sort of an away stroke with the knife. What you want to be aware of is this thing about triangles from there to here. Okay, so what you've got to be careful of is using the knife in an area or into an area that's not going to injure you if you slip and make a mistake. So I wouldn't be doing this just in case I slipped. I certainly wouldn't be doing something like that, because down these two legs here you've got thumping great arteries the size of your finger with the femoral artery, and you want to keep any knife movements away from you here. Alright, so I'm sat here, the wood's there, and I'm away from myself. Away. Like that. And say, I'm here, Mitchell filming's there. Okay? So think about safety when you're using your knife. Think about this triangle. All the organs in your body down to sensitive areas. There. So there's the first one. There's the second, and it looks about, it's about 120 degrees, it's about there. Ooh, that slipped. There. Come back in a bit when we get the last one wired up, right Mitch? Okay, right, now this is totally hit and miss because my flint napping is rubbish. Okay, so down here, there we go, right, using the brolly that we found to catch the glass, I'm going to attempt to use that part of the knife to get a vague triangle that'll go in my spear. So I'm thinking somewhere about that size. Good enough. Okay, so what I'll try and do is get rid of that round bit. I've still got another chance the other side. Okay, I'll just try and lose that little knuckle on the end there. Go. Obviously, ultimate fail for everybody to watch. First time with the flights. I'm only going to get one go at this, and I will pick up the bits afterwards, the same as I caught the rest on the umbrella. This is how badly this goes. Not bad. Do it through the air. So, this is Scott from Wessex Blades, Mitch filming, for Mike Bartons, using 3 loads of rubbish to create something. All the best for all the other entries. Scott from Wessex Blades, name on Wessex Blades. Like I said when I was out here last, when I did the overnight on my bed there with just a wool blanket, I said I'd come back and clear up my mess. So after the BushCraft Bartons challenge, here I am clearing up my mess. There's the milk carton, my rice packet. Okay. Milk bottle top. Right, that stainless cup. The LED I didn't use. Right, so I've got a little bit more to go, but I said I'd come back and clear it. Those animals, when I leave the mess, that's up to there. Scott from Wessex Blades, being true to Sarah Dreaming, bushcraft cleaning, all the best, Scott from Wessex Blades.